Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today I am back making another yummy, delicious chicken teriyaki recipe for you guys. If you're interested, keep on watching. Be sure you give the video a like for me, please. I really appreciate it. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, to get started, you will need, of course, the chicken breast. You can use regular chicken thigh, just remove the bones. But I am using chicken breast for this recipe. And basically, I am going to cut the chicken breast just bite size. Not too small, not too big. Now, we're going to marinating the chicken breast. I am using about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. That is low sodium soy sauce. Next, I am adding about a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. Now I am going in with some black pepper, and also I'll be adding some dry pepper flakes because I want some heat. Okay, I want it to be a little bit spicy. Now I'm adding some ginger, okay? A little bit of ginger. I'll see about not even a quarter teaspoon of ginger in there, and then I'll give it a stir, and then we'll start cooking this. You can leave it for a little bit just to, you know, marinating for about 10 minutes, but I cooked mine right away. And this is a perfect, quick and easy dinner idea, okay? So yeah, in this skillet right here, I add a little bit of canola oil. You can use sesame seed oil as well. Now I am going to basically cook my chicken breast. I want them to have a nice golden brown color to them, so I'll cook it for about, I'll say 7 minutes per side, or maybe 5, I'm not sure, but cook it until it's ready, until it's nice and golden brown, and cook through. Once it is nice and golden brown on one side, flip it over and cook the other side, of course. Once it is nice and golden brown on both sides, just like that, you can see how nice and golden brown it looks. I am going to pour the leftover marinating that we did. So we're going to pour that in there just like that. And then I'll be adding about, I'll say a quarter teaspoon as well of cornstarch. You know, the cornstarch will make it nice and thick. You know, it's going to be nice and thick. So you don't want it to be too runny, so that's why I added the cornstarch. Now we're going to let this simmer on low until it's nice and thick and, you know, reduce. That's what we're going for, okay? Give it a stir. Now the next clip you're going to look at right here, it's a little bit darker. I turned down my light just so you guys can see the color of it, okay? It just looks so pretty, okay? That's the color, that's the real color of it. And I like this setting better just to show you guys how the chicken look. And of course, this is a quick recipe. Like I told you, it'll be done in less than 30 minutes. Perfect family meal for dinner, lunch, whatever you want to eat it as. And I am going to add a little bit of sesame seeds, which is optional, and it just make it look so pretty. And I didn't have any green onions, but that didn't make or break the dish. It still tastes delicious. And if you guys enjoy it, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up for me, because that helped me a lot, guys. If you're watching right now, you haven't give the video a thumbs up, please do so right now for me. Leave me suggestion down below what you want me to cook. And basically this is what you have, a really quick and easy chicken teriyaki. That's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Be sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Thumbs up the video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. And of course, I'll be trying it out for you. Bye.